How to use noise removal for microphone when recording. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will show you how you can use noise removal for microphone when recording. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's jump right in. First, so if you're using OBS, which most of the streamers or recorders will be using on the desktop, what you'll then have to do is tap on the settings option right here. Tap on settings, and after you tap on settings, you will need to head over to the audio option. Tap on audio, and from here, you should find your mic auxiliary, which is your microphone. So from here, you can find your microphone that you have normally using on your device. Select that, and after you select that, you can tap on apply and then tap on OK. After you do that, your microphone will appear right here. After your microphone appears here, let me just maximize that. You can see this volume going up and down whenever we speak. Now, to reduce the noise here, tap on the three dots, then head over to filters. After you're on your filters, tap on this plus icon. Then from here, choose noise suppression. After you choose noise suppression, tap on OK. And this is the filter. Now here you can see the method for noise suppression. You can tap on this. So if you choose the other option, you can also choose the suppression level. So after you've enabled your noise suppression, if you increase this, let me increase that, and then go back. So there you can see when I do not speak anymore. When I used to speak, normally the audio would be at here, and when I now do not speak, it will just go down. There you can see now that is how the noise suppression works, and that's how you can remove noise from microphone when recording. And that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.